An abandoned terrier cowers beneath a cracked bridge, rain tracing silver lines on fur as traffic murmurs. A kind passerby notices the tremor, offers a warm coat, water, and a touch that steadies the heart. The rescue unfolds with careful cradle, a soft lift into a waiting car, a blanket becoming shelter. Homeward gentle captions describe healing moments, slow breaths, and trust blooming beneath warm lamplight. At sunset, the dog curls against the rescuer, their two hearts learning the language of mutual rescue.